Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Here is Maryum Sajjad with international news around the world. Pakistan urges United Nations Security Council to act immediately to protect children in held Kashmir. Pakistan urged the United Nations Security Council on Tuesday to act immediately to protect children in conflict zones, particularly in the India-occupied Jammu and Kashmir, where Indian forces have been targeting children with pellet guns. Turkey further eases quarantine restrictions for Pakistani passengers. Turkey on Tuesday revised its policy for travelers coming from Afghanistan and Pakistan, making a 10-day quarantine period mandatory but with the possibility of ending it in 7 days if a negative coronavirus test is received on the 7th day. Germany completes troop pull out from Afghanistan. Germany has completed its troop pull out from Afghanistan starting in May. The Defense Ministry announced Tuesday as the US aims to complete its withdrawal by September 11. To stop airstrikes, you need to stop all violence, US commander in Afghanistan says. The top US commander in Afghanistan on Tuesday remarked that the US will not end its airstrikes against the Taliban till they stop resorting to violence in the war-ravaged country. Taliban fighters launch attack on Ghazni. Taliban fighters have launched an attack on Ghazni, clashing with Afghan forces and using explosives in an attempt to siege the central Afghan city. Sinovac COVID-19 vaccine safe and effective in children as young as 3. The COVID-19 jab developed in China by Sinovac Biotech was found to be safe and effective in children, according to a study. At least 69 killed in Vancouver as heatwave grips US-Canada. People in the Vancouver area have died in a record-smashing heat wave, Western Canada and the US Pacific Northwest, police said on Tuesday. Saudi Arabia launches National Transport and Logistic Strategy. Saudi Arabia's Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman on Wednesday launched his country's National Transport and Logistic Strategy. This is end of today's international news. Take care of yourself. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. You are watching CID News Network, Islamabad.